you ever struggled cutting a foam or any type of foam? Well, there's a solution, the foam cutting machine. By heating the heating wire, the foam is cut with the heating wire, which reflects the process of converting electric energy into heat. So let's make a foam cutting machine. When clamping the board, pay attention to the position and direction. Gently click and pay attention to safety. Screw fixed long isolation column. Fix the short isolation column and clamp the small plate. Snap another bracket plate. Fasten the long side plate and the middle plate. Paste the battery box. There you go. Snap on short side plate. Snap angle. Screw on the bottom plate or fix the bracket. The heating wire is fixed at one end on the spring. Use head shaft and sleeve to fix the spring. The other end of the heating wire passes through the bottom plate, fixed on the mid-plane. This one needs to prepare for 1.5 volt AA batteries. Pay attention to the positive and negative poles of the batteries when installing and remove the batteries when not in use. If you can cut it, please check whether the battery has electricity and whether the wire has bad contact. When cutting with the electricity, the heating wire has a high temperature, so it's forbidden to touch the heating wire with your hands. By the way, the positive and negative poles of the battery should not be in direct contact to avoid short circuits. When not in use for a long time, take out the battery and store the work. There you go. We now have a simple foam cutting machine.